So, usapang beauty tayo, no? Kasi vanity is the favorite sin of women like us, no? So, how vain are you?
I feel like it's also men's favorite sin. Ayaw lang nilang sabihin.
How special is David ikaw? Handa umibig muli. Hello mga kadaldal, our very special guest today is a true-to-life Barbie doll, the Kapusa sweetheart, Barbie Fortesa!
Yay!
Welcome to Dollywood PH!
Thank you so much po. Actually, 2 dolls po ito
kaya
yes.
talaga sinegay ko, Barbie doll. And say hi to the mga kadaldal.
Hello po sa mga kadaldal dyan. So happy to be here and so happy to see you
Yes,
po.
and thank you for accommodating. And syempre, thank you kay Jojo.
Yes!
Kay Boss Jojo and Miss Irene for making this possible. And congrats on your new show, no? Nag-premiere na sa View.
Ang Velma Beauty, para yan sa ating mga minamaliit, mga kinukutsa.
#Noreen Sakala.
Gusto ko lang po talaga makapasok dito sa Velma Beauty. Matagal ko na pong pangarap to. Mag-uumpisa na ang palabas.
And of course, the GMA7, yung Beauty Empire. So, usapang beauty tayo, no? Kasi vanity is the favorite sin of women like us, no? So, how vain are you? Kasi kasama yan sa job description bilang artista, no? Maging vanidosa.
Ayoko naman pong ibaling lang sa mga kababaihan ang vanity. I feel like it's also men's favorite sin. Ayaw lang nilang sabihin.
Ayaw lang aminin.
Ayaw lang nilang aminin.
Oo.
Minsan mas vain pa sila sa mga babae.
Totoo. Or baka takot sila masabihin, naku, bading ata yun. Kasi parang mas vanidosa pa sa atin.
Angle. Not that it's bad naman po. Pero how vain am I? Siguro po dahil lang parte siya ng trabaho ko. Pero hindi naman to the point na pag lumalabas po kasi ako kunyari errands, hindi po ako halos nag-makeup. Hindi rin po ako masyadong
de-glamorize.
hindi ho talaga. Pati ho yung pananamit ko, naka-pantalon lang po ako, t-shirt lang, ganyan.
Hindi ka naman yung tipo na kada dumadaan sa salamin talagang titingin. Na GGSS, diba yung gandang-ganda sa sarili?
Actually, may something po sa akin na pag normal na araw, hindi ko alam if it's psychological, ayokong tumingin sa salamin.
Pag
Kasi
nagsawa ka na, kasi you're always under the lights.
I'm always in front of a mirror, getting glammed up, or I'm always in front of a camera. So, pag personal time ko, ayoko nang tumingin sa salamin.
Kasi Beauty Empire, no, yung new show mo, are you open to cosmetic surgery? Not that you need it, no, pero what's your take on cosmetic surgery?
Cosmetic surgery, I think, is an investment. Kasi hindi naman din po biro.
Yeah, if you can afford it, why
yes,
not?
ang mga ganyang klaseng enhancement. Ako naman, I really support people who do that.
No judgment.
No judgments talaga. Kasi nakikita naman ho natin sa mas ikabubuti ng kanilang confidence.
Balik alindog
yes.
program.
At saka, ako naman kasi naniniwala naman po ako at walang etos po ito na lahat naman po ay maganda. Kasi it is subjective. Beauty is subjective. So, umpisa pa lang po, maganda na tayong lahat. Nasa sayo na lang yan kung paano mo siya.
O yung cliche, di ba? Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder.
Yes, ganyan po. Kung paano mo siya dadalhin. So, if you feel like you still need to improve something sa sarili mo, pero it will make you feel better if you do it, then go for it.
If
Support
ever
ako
you
dyan.
age, would you consider, kunwari, anong part mo ang gusto mo enhance or paritoke? Not that you need it, sabi, improvement or you'd rather stay natural talaga?
Well, baka naman po kasi kainin ko rin po ang mga salita ko, di ba? Ayoko naman magsalita ng tapos. Pero sa ngayon po, hindi ko pa ho siya naiisip na what if pag tumanda
Farthest from your
ako,
mind.
gagawin ko ba siya? Kasi parang hindi nga rin ako ganun ka-vain to think about it na malayo pa naman in the future. Siguro, well, pag nandun na po tayo, malaman. Pero kasi,
Pero parang hindi naman eh.
kasi sa nakikita ko po sa nanay ko, maganda pa rin ang nanay ko eh.
May
60 years old.
pinagmanahan.
Opo.
It's in your genes. Ano yun? I got it from my
I
mama.
got it from my mama,
Yun, with
yeah.
feelings. Your series is also about parang revenge, power struggle. In real life, how do you handle competition?
Well, as much as possible po, I avoid competition. So,
You only compete with yourself.
not even. Kasi Leo po kasi ako. So, parang if I feel like
Stubborn?
I'm parang ganyan
Oo.
po. So, parang feeling ko po kasi as a Leo, when I put my mind into something, masyado ko siyang i-overthink, i-analyze. So, feeling ko, competition is something negative para sa akin. Baka kasi masyado ko po siyang i-overdo. I might overdo it. Baka hindi siya makabuti for me. So, mas nagiging mabait po ako sa sarili ko. So, mas parang acceptance. I only take what's meant for me. Iniisip ko na this is what I deserve. So, kaya ito lang yung meron ako. Kaya andito lang ako. Pero, it doesn't mean na I'm gonna settle for what I have.
You won't be complacent. You won't sit on your laurels.
Hindi naman po. Pero there's no pressure. In terms of competition kasi, kaakibat niyan ay pressure eh. Parang yun yung ayokong ibigay sa sarili ko kasi I really want to enjoy my journey.
That reminds me of one of the advice that my mom gave me. Ma-share ko lang na siya daw kasi, she never watch her competitors. She just focus on her own path. Kasi pag tingin ka daw ng tingin sa mga kalaban mo, lingon ka na lingon, malalagpasan ka na nila. So parang makes sense talaga yung sinabi mo.
You'll never be satisfied kasi syempre lagi namang may mas sexy, mas maganda, mas matangkad. Ando naman tayo, pero nobody can be you.
May ibang vibe.
Yun na yun.
Meron din about revenge sa series yun. Sa real life, what's your take on revenge?
Ang experience ko dyan has to do a lot with karma. Parang I don't really...
Magbo-boomerang din.
Opo, mas ganun na lang. What goes around comes around na lang. Pero
leave it to karma na lang.
Opo. Kumbaga kung may ipaglalaban ako, not to seek revenge, but more of para sa improvement ko na lang po. Pero yung revenge kasi parang masyado siyang dark. Masyado siyang dark. Eh, masayahin po kami ng
don't
pamilya
get
ko.
mad, get even.
Yes, yun ganun na lang po siguro.
Yung co-star mo this, Kylene Alcantara,
Yes.
pareho kayong nag-move on, di ba, from a relationship. So, how's the healing process? Baka you can share din kung paano ka nag-move on.
I love Kylene. I really love Kylene so much. Ayokong mapunta po ang conversation natin sa angle na yan. So, I am just here for her and we're really, really happy. Ang saya ko nakatrabaho ko siya.
It's your first time together,
yes,
right?
To do a drama project po. Dati po sa ano po kami, mga All Out Sundays, mga Sunday shows, ganyan. Pero first time ko siyang makita sa kanyang forte.
Saka talaga kayong mag-head-to-head kayo dito,
yes
diba?
po, yes po. I'm very, very excited about that. And I have been very busy. I am overwhelmed with gratitude. Parang I don't have a right to be lonely. Kasi parang life has been showering me with blessings and good people to be around with. Napakasaya ko po.
So you're happier now that you're single, would you say?
Well, again po, I really don't want being single to be the reason why I'm happy. Maybe it's because I appreciate the people around me more now and mas marami akong nadidiscover about myself.
Like
Parang,
what did you discover about yourself? This era of your
kalain yung
life.
kaya kong tumakbo ng 16K, Miss
Talaga?
Dolly. Yeah!
16K? Grabe.
Diba?
So you're going for more.
If I get the chance and the time to train, why not, diba? Mga marathon, ganyan. Pero ano na po yan, medyo suntok sa buwan na po yan. Kasi I need enough sleep and training for that. Pero ngayon, I'm just really, really happy na I get to spend time with myself. I get to do things on my own. Ang saya ko kasi pagka free days ko, I really look forward to making plans na lumabas, ganyan, nagiging mas outgoing ako ngayon. Just enjoying life.
So hindi ka pa handa umibig muli? Ang lalim ng tanong, parang ano, parang pang teledrama, teleserye.
Yes.
Well, you don't plan naman those things.
Yes, we don't po. We don't plan those things. Pero, maybe now, I realize it's not about being ready to be in love or to fall in love again. It's really fully loving yourself first. Kasi, feeling ko naman, pag nasa tamang posisyon ka na sa buhay, the right person will attract. Parang makaka-attract ka ng tamang tao.
You won't just be ready, willing, and able, di ba?
Yes. I'm not pushing myself to be ready. I'm really just enjoying.
Pero I'm sure ang dami nakaabang dyan.
Mga 36.
36?
Grabe
naman yung
Parang wala naman. Parang eme-eme ka naman, Barbie.
36? Ang nakaabang. Naku, ano
Joke
ba?
lang po. Hindi, wala po. Hindi po
In
totoo yun.
alphabetical order ba to? Or chronological order? Or according to height? Oo. Mapunta tayo sa friendship mo with David Licauco. So how special is it na it makes it different from the rest of your male actors or even yung wala sa showbiz na male friends mo?
Friendship with David is definitely different kasi sa trabaho namin, ang ginagawa namin, pang-jowa po eh.
Oo, barda.
Yeah, so yun
Sikat
pa
na
lang
sikat.
sets him apart from all my other male friends like si Derek, si Christopher, si Alden, yung mga twins po. Kasi hindi naman kami nagsusweet-sweetan, diba? So with David, merong conscious effort kasi part ng trabaho namin na maging sweet sa isa't isa, ganyan. So siguro yung level of care, I would say, iba. Kasi yung sa kanya, mas parang, I feel like the way he cares for me and the way I care for him is more delicate.
He's also single. Parang nagkataon naman, nasabay kayong single. No? Hindi nyo naman plinano yun. Coincidence
Hindi
lang.
Hindi naman.
Oo.
Yun siguro po yung level of care and yung support, ganyan. Pero bukod po doon, I think David is really good person to be around with and he's really good with advices.
So ano ang advices sa'yo? Or finalo mo ba yung advice niya? Kasi it's a different thing, di ba?
To
Madaling
ask
advice,
for
pero
it
yung
and to really do it.
gagawa ko ba yun? Masusunod ko ba? Like, may advice ba si David sa'yo? Like, healing a broken heart, moving on?
Ano ba? Siguro payaman ka muna.
Sobrang yaman.
As a businessman.
Sino mas mayaman sa inyo?
Ganyan. So,
Mabibili
ano pa
na
ba?
yung love na yan later on, payaman muna tayo.
Actually, more than love advice, ang mga nakukuha ko talaga sa kanya, advice about starting a business. He really wants me
He really
to
has business acumen.
explore na mag-business. Mas yun talaga siya.
So talagang friendship, walang mali siya at all.
Wala po. But we really do care for each other. Totoo.
Yeah, and it shows. Mabalik tayo sa beauty empire.
Sige
No?
po.
What are your beauty rituals? Meron bang parang kakaiba yung naghuhugas ka ba ng tea? May mga ganun di ba? Yung not the usual beauty regimen. Is there any you can share?
Well, nothing unusual, pero I do everything religiously. Like, I see to it na kahit gaano pong kapagod sa taping, hindi ako matutulog ng may makeup. Kasi dun ho talaga nagsisimula ang mga chismis. Tapos, meron akong ginagamit na yung malamig sa mukha po. Cryosticks ba yung tawag doon? Pampa-di-puff, di umano. Tsaka, hindi ko pa alam kung totoo yun, pero ang
Ano
napansin
to,
ko lang.
homemade lang?
Hindi po, ano po siya, para siyang metal na yung pwede nyo ilagay sa ref pag lumamig. Para hindi siya yellow, kasi ang yellow po, tumutulo eh.
Oo. So you do that
So,
ritual every
Yes po. Pero hindi ko sure kung nakakatulong talaga siya sa akin to depuff. Pero ang napansin
Placebo
ko sa
effect.
kanya, mas maganda po yung lapat ng makeup pag ganun.
Kita naman. And what are your beauty icons, style icons?
Definitely Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift, and I also look up to Anne Hathaway, Zendaya,
Mga
ganyan.
classic.
Hindi ko sila ka-body type, pero bahala na.
Nasa pagdadala yan.
Oh yes, opo, ayan. And then beauty icon.
I'm sure marami namang may beauty icons sa'yo.
Thank you po. See, hindi ko alam. Wala pala akong beauty. So baka hindi nga po ako vain talaga.
Oo, now, talagang
Na hindi
mapatunayan
masyadong
natin.
po ang beauty sa akin.
And what are you learning from your character, Noreen, no? Dito sa Beauty Empire. Anong take-away mo sa character?
Ni Noreen?
Yeah, your learnings from her.
Ang pinakadelikado sa lahat ay yung underdog.
You'll never know pag bigla nang umalma. And tell us also about your other project, horror naman, di ba?
Thank you so much po for asking about it.
You're
Thank you po.
everywhere. Talagang era mo ngayon. Oo.
Maraming salamat po. Yes, I do have upcoming alternative narrative horror film by GMA Pictures.
Alternative narrative.
horror. Yun po
What does
ang
it mean,
tawag.
ma'am? Kakaiba.
It means it is a mind-bending horror. So, it really attacks your mind. It plays with reality.
Mind
Parang ganyan. If we can mention that po.
yes.
Yes po, exactly that. It's really more about your reality, which makes it more scary, diba? Real life horror, kumbaga. And we will also dive into mga personal life struggles, and that's where we will begin the real life horror.
Saan ka mas nahirapan, Barbie? This horror or this beauty empire sa role mo?
They are both equally challenging. With my horror film P77, it's challenging because it's a totally new genre for me. It's one of my favorite genres. As a moviegoer, yun din ho ang gusto kong panoorin. Mga ganyang klaseng horror. Yung mag-iisip ka ho talaga. Hindi lang puro jump scare. And then, it was also challenging for me doing P77 because I was also doing Pulang Araw at the time. And my other film, Kontrabida Academy, which was straight-up comedy naman. So, I was doing a war project, I'm doing a horror film, and a comedy film.
Grabe, buti na ako compartmentalize mo yung mga roles mo. Di ba nakakalito? Parang pag-uwi mo, sino na ba ako?
Di po ba? Kaya no time to feel lonely talaga. Just really happy. Dito naman po sa Beauty Empire, ang challenge po dito is, tingin ko yung building a good camaraderie with my co-actors. Kasi lahat ho sila halos ay unang beses ko lang po makakatrabaho. Dito ko pa lang po malalaman kung paano sila magtrabaho. Technically, emotionally, hindi po ba? Siguro po yun, kung paano magtimpla ng eksena. Pero masaya kasi everyone was so generous and willing na magbigay sa mga eksena.
So, walang
natin.
sapawang kayo ni Kailin kahit pareho kayong bida here?
Hindi po, wala po. At saka, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko po kay Kailin.
O, grabe yung teaser nyo. It
Opo.
reminded me of yung Sherry Hill and si Sharon.
Yes, oo,
Na for this
ganon.
generation naman. Oo.
Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko po kay Kylene, siya yung klase ng mataray na character, strong character, na hindi ka maiinis. Bakit? Kasi malalim. Malalim ho ang kanyang hugot, malalim yung kanyang pag-arte. If anything, makakasimpatya ka pa nga sa character na bakit siya ganun. So yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya na hindi lang niya basta ginawa yung character. Talagang inaral niya po.
As a character mo si Noreen, anong nagustuhan mo? How can you relate to Noreen?
Nakaka-relate po ako sa character ni Noreen in terms of doing everything for her family. Seeking justice para sa nangyari sa pamilya ko. Gagawin ko po talaga. Si Noreen, siya rin po ang nagpo-provide para sa kanyang family, sa kanyang nanay. Same goes to me, I am a breadwinner. So, malalim din ho talaga yung hugot ko dito.
Ulirang anak.
Grabe naman po yung ulirang. Hardworking, passionate.
Kaya pwede lang pagpatayo ng monumento.
Ay, hindi naman. Ayun po. So, mas ganon. And also, dito po kasi, idol ko po talaga yung ate ko. I really look up to my sister. And sa totoong buhay, siya rin po talaga ang aking real life hero, I would say.
So, parang art imitates life.
Yes.
Dito.
Bukod dun sa murder mystery.
So, kung gagawin ka namang Barbie doll, kasi di ba may sporty Barbie, party Barbie, anong tawag? Barbie?
I think tired Barbie.
Tired Barbie? Yan ba itsura?
Pagod?
Yan ba itsura ng tired? Pero maganda, parang realistic, di ba? Kasi yung Barbie parang hindi makatotohanan, di ba? Sobrang talagang ayos na ayos. Di ba? Para ano naman?
Ano ba?
Real
Ano na lang? Happy Barbie.
Oo, happy.
Ayan, happy Barbie.
Too happy to be tired.
Yes.
Happily tired. Ganun na lang.
Ganun na po. Happy Barbie.
And last question, in line with Beauty Empire pa rin, when you look at yourself in the mirror, what do you usually say to yourself these days?
I'm so proud of you.
And all you've overcome.
Yes, parang I'm so proud of you, or parang
Keep slaying, girl.
sabi ko na kaya mo yung ganyan. Kasi there are times, especially po pag alam ko na it's gonna be a hectic week, parang lagi akong
Iniisip mo palang pagod ka na.
Oo, parang ganyan po. And then after kong ma-survive lahat yung buong linggong yun, sabihin ko, di ba kaya mo naman? Di ba ang galing mo? Di ba?
Yan ang mantra.
Ayan.
Okay, invite everyone
Yes.
to...
Hello po again, mga kadaldals. Again, I am so thankful to be here. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. I am inviting all of you to please watch Beauty Empire, a murder mystery family revenge drama now streaming on View, and it will be shown on GMA Primetime this July 7.
Nauna yung sa View.
Yes po, if you have View app, you got first dibs po sa aming episodes. Mahahaba po ang episodes namin sa View. So, pwede rin po kayong manood doon.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Barbie.
much po.
Keep
Maraming
slaying
salamat
and
po.
keep blooming. Thank you, mga kadaldal. Till next episode. Bye!